Hi guys, Andy here, and I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. That's your vibe. I'd love it if you would subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, we have a PR, my first ever PR, unboxing from Luxe Beauty. So if you want to see what I got in my box, because I'm so excited, then let's go ahead and get on into it. So I had followed them on TikTok. They followed back. And I reached out because it was the end of 2024. And I was like, you know what? I'm going to start shooting my shot with brands. And I reached out to like a whole bunch of brands and was like, how do I get on your PR list? And if not, let me be an affiliate. Which basically, it was a better message than that. But like that was the gist of the message. And she was like, absolutely, I would love to send you some PR. We had a bigger conversation than that. But she is lovely. And so I got my box of goodies. So as you guys know, unless you're new here, hi, hello, how are ya? I have carpal tunnel in both my wrists. I've had surgery on both my wrists. I do have to get repeat surgery, we believe. So I do pre-open my packages. I pre-open all the boxes and things because Blazemere sees something. He ran. But I just want to make it so it's an easier experience for you and I opening things. Plus, I got really excited when this came in the mail. So, this is not how it was sent, but this is how I'm showing it to you guys because we're going to start with the lips, which is why my lips are bare. So, these two. This is what the packaging looks like. So it says Luxe in, you know, that holographic packaging. And then it really is just blank everywhere, which I wish it said the ingredients, but, you know, or like the shade name on the box. But when you pull it out, this is what the packaging looks like. I love the like clear crystal lid. We have Luxe on there. And then again, there's no ingredients, which I will say I don't like that because we don't know what is in it, but it is a lip poetry. This is a matte, and this is in the shade Quiet Path. So we do have just a flat paddle applicator. First here, I'm going to swatch it for you. It's like a more moussey texture as a liquid lip. It doesn't have any scent. It just smells like lipstick. Also, two things. One, don't hate on the lip line. We're going to be putting on 4 different lips today. 2, I did not have to make this video. It's PR, but I'm so very excited. Of course, I want to make this video. I think that shade's really nice. It's like on the peachier side. It has that like powdery finish. Like, I don't know, like that soft powder of a liquid lip. No, I think that's nice. Like, obviously, I'd have to wear these to really get, like, the staying power and things like that. And I assume the ingredients and things are on the website. I just wish, you know, on the packaging, that would be nice. But I think this is a nice color. I think that it's pretty. And then we will go ahead. I'm going to take this off because I need a new makeup wipe. Came off super easy. The next shade we got, all of their packaging looks just like this. So the next one is also a lip poetry matte. And this one is in the shade Hollywood Bold, which I'm hoping you can see has some sparkle. So I think they all have these paddle applicators. So there's that shade. That is pretty. I don't really see the sparkle, but ooh. So here's the lip. I think it's very pretty. I think it goes with my eye look. Ian came over here and kissed me. It does not transfer. I will say, I don't see any sparkle. And it's not one of those, like, you kiss a whole bunch and it makes more sparkles. But it feels slippier than the other lipstick. So I'm thinking that might be, like, from the sparkles, like it just being, because even though it's a matte, it feels slightly different. I can't tell you. I think I like this one more. I think I like the slippiness of that one. Just a little bit more. Blazemere, you do not need more water. Don't you be huffing. Ah, there we go. Wrong side of the poofy poof. So, now let's go with this one. Now we have two lip glosses. I think they're both lip glosses. This, look at that, is the shade Beetlejuice, and it is a Black Label gloss. So we have the same doe foot applicator, or paddle applicator, I should say. Sorry, they just showed up to get my oxygen concentrator. Had to take a second. But this is what the paddle looks like. This smells like pixie sticks. I think it smells good. It smells very good. It's a very sheer gloss. It's just kind of got the, here, let's do a second. So it feels kind of thick. I'm hoping it's not thick. But there's the gloss. So now let's see. Let's swirl her up. Ooh, you really get that scent when you're putting it on. Do you guys prefer doe foot applicators with like the point or paddle applicators? Because I'm not going to lie, I prefer paddles. Ooh. Let me just get gloss everywhere. I've put on so many lips today because I swatched another video as well. There's one layer. You can't see anything. Let me see in the mirror though. It does a little bit of that sticky, but it doesn't feel bad on the lips. Because I have a lot of texture issues when it comes to lips, especially lip gloss. I wish it had more base color, more purple, like in the base to it. But in person, you can really see that glitter. I just don't think it's translating to camera. I don't know if you could hear my cat just howling for his life because he wants tub water. I do think it's pretty. The gloopiness kind of goes away. I don't know. I don't think it feels too sticky. I was worried. I was worried it would be too sticky. And it's not. And I don't mean that as a bad thing on the brand. I just... For those of you who also have texture issues, like, that is a good gloss. Not too sticky. The very last gloss. The one I'm most excited about. I can't wait to show you guys. Look at it. Would you just look at it? This is another Black Label gloss, and it's in the shade Sandworm. I'm not a huge Beetlejuice fan. Like, I still haven't seen the second movie. I've seen the first movie a couple times. Like, I like Beetlejuice, but... which obviously these two are from a Beetlejuice type collection. But I wouldn't be like, oh my god, I'm a diehard Beetlejuice fan. Like, it's good. Now, see, I want to know... Oh. Ooh, that's interesting. Sorry, I had to show Ian first because we didn't get to swatch this one together because I wanted to keep it for you guys. But it's got a black base with silver metallic glitter on top. I just hope... I don't want to ever mix it, is my thing. Oh, this is my favorite. And it smells like fruit punch. That is what we have decided. By itself, gorgeous. Over a black lip, I bet you. That this would be absolutely stunning. It feels just like the other gloss. Thicker than I think I would normally like, but not in a bad way. It gives just a hint of like that sticky gloopy, but it's only for like a second. I have found that both of those glosses do that. And then like once they set into your lips, then they don't. Oh, I think that that is so pretty. That goes with my eye look. I'm so happy that's what we're ending on for lips. Oh. Oh, these liquid lipsticks. They dried down. Come off thy hand. Well, they have staying power. That's for sure. Okay, they came off. Oh my Lanta. That was intense. Okay. So let's do that. And the last item I received is a palette, and it is the Wednesday palette. So very excited. Again, we have, this doesn't even say love+craft+beauty, which, oh, and it's sideways, by the way. This is the way, not the other way. So sorry. But it doesn't even say love+craft+beauty, which is unfortunate. There's no ingredients, no shade names on the back here, but it does. When you open it, which you can't open it all the way, let me bend the spine. It says love+craft+beauty on the inside, and it's upraised as well. And I think that that's beautiful. That's a pretty touch. Here are the shades. They are beautiful. We have some marbling, and I think this is stunning. Let me see, because you can pull these shades out. They are magnetic. There are no shade names on them, though, so that is what it is. So we're going to swatch these. So we have a pretty, like, black, I would say that it's like a satin. That is gorgeous. Stunning. So now we're gonna go into this like white and black or white and gray marble. Ooh, hi. If you're new here, I love silver. If you're not new here, that is so pretty. Next, we're going to go across. So I always go down and then across. So now we're going to go into this burgundy maroon. Ooh, it's got like a blackened base. Oh, that's way prettier. Because normally I don't like a blackened base, but that's gorgeous. So now we're going to go into this light gray, light silver. Okay. Like a gunmetal. Like that's a true silver and that's a gunmetal. Still love to see it. So now we're going to go into this, which is honestly the one marbled one I was most excited for because it's white with black with hints of purple on top. Oh my god. Look at that. So I was showing Ian, but that's what this shade turned into. It's like nothing, barely gray to a beautiful blue purple. That is stunning. So next we have this other black, I think. Oh, it's like a black with blue. Oh, that's pretty. This palette is so pretty. Oh my goodness. So now it looks like we have a white with purple shimmery shade. Like a purpley blue. And next we have this other silver. There are so many silvers. To be fair, they do all look different, which is wild to me. And last but not least, we have this last marbled shade, which is like a creamy white with an off black. Ooh, another like, it's not even a gunmetal. It's like its own category. That is stunning. So that is the entire Wednesday palette. So that black is giving like a matte that you could put down and then put any one of those on top of it that you want to make look pretty. So we have the Wednesday palette, we have the 2 matte lips and the 2 glosses. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you'll go check out Luxe Beauty. I will leave their website listed down below. And as always, I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!